Here is fossilized tree resin. Tree resin is the stuff that drips out of trees when the tree is injured to help seal the gap and protect the tree against infection. Normally, this resin weathers away and decomposes, but sometimes, under the right conditions, it can start to harden. When amber forms, the various liquid components that are in the tree resin evaporate over time. Polymerization occurs. Polymers are when molecules bond together in long, repeating chains. And this is part of the hardening process of the amber. Sometimes, while the resin is still sticky, insects, animals, pollen, and other evidence of life get caught in the amber. This is sometimes preserved as a fossil inside the amber. A fun project you can do at home is make your own insects and amber soap. Take a soap mold and place a plastic insect inside. Melt some glycerin soap in the microwave and add some yellow food coloring. Be careful, the soap will be hot. Pour the melted soap over the insect in the mold. Let cool. After the soap is cooled, you can pop out your new soap and have your new replica of an insect in amber fossil soap. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.